How to use CoPilot investing app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CoPilot is an investing app that uses AI to guide you towards smarter, more personalized investment decisions. But most beginners use it wrong, and that costs them performance. Here's how to use CoPilot properly. The first mistake: ignoring the onboarding quiz. CoPilot tailors its strategy to your goals, risk profile, and timeline. If you rush through those questions, the app can't create a plan that truly fits your needs. Next, many users override the AI suggestions too often. CoPilot's recommendations are based on data, not emotion. Constant manual tweaks defeat the purpose of intelligent automation and often reduce returns. Another big error is failing to track progress. CoPilot's analytics show how your portfolio evolves over time, helping you understand what's working. Ignoring these insights means you're missing the learning curve that makes you a smarter investor. Pro tip: automate contributions. Consistent investing helps the AI optimize your portfolio's compounding potential. And here's the surprising truth: the most successful CoPilot users aren't the ones chasing quick profits. They're the ones who trust the data, stay consistent, and think long-term. Used properly, CoPilot turns investing into a guided, intelligent experience, helping you build wealth confidently, one smart decision at a time.